Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to tell you that how you can log a simple folder on your Windows 10 PC. So for this process I am going to use this folder, and there are almost all types of documents in this folder, like image, word, text, WinZip document, etc. So for this process we are going to use this code. Here is the code, and I have given the same thing in the description box. You can check the description box and download this code from the link that I have provided. So first you need to go on search bar, then you need to type notepad. So after typing notepad you need to click open, and after clicking open, there the code which was given in the description box, you need to copy it and then you need to paste it. After pasting it, you need to find the place where it is written if hashtag password is equal to this. So you need to keep your own password here. For example, I am crossing this out and typing 1 2 3 and 4. So now you need to click on file, then save as. After clicking save as, you need to find the location of the document or the folder which do you want to log the folder. So I have find the folder which I wanted to log. Then you need to type the name of the document. So I am typing as PASSWORD password.bat. You also need to type this thing which I have highlighted. This is the main thing which would make your password work, and then you need to click save. I have clicked save. Then you need to cross this notepad and the one which was downloaded from the link. So after you cross both the notepad files, you need to go in the folder where you have saved it. So I had saved it here. Then after going in the folder, you need to double click the new thing that we have saved here. So I have double clicked it, and here one folder has been formed which is a private folder, and there all the documents that you want to save and log them would be saved. So I am selecting these 4 documents and moving them in that folder. So I have moved them. After moving them in the folder, you need to again double click this file, and it would ask that are you sure to log this folder. So here are 2 options, Y for yes and N for no. So I am typing Y and enter. So after typing Y, as you can see, the folder in which my documents were there has been disappeared, and you would not be able to get it anywhere. So to now unlock it, you need to double click this again and enter the password. So I am entering my password which I had typed in the notepad as 1 2 3 and 4. So I have typed the password and you need to click enter. As I have clicked enter, here is the folder and all the documents. They are safe as I had downloaded them and kept them in the folder. So you saw that it is free and no virus or nothing is there in this process. And if you again want to log this, you can double click it and again type Y and enter. I have done this, and as you can see, the folder is logged and all your documents would be safe here. No worry to your documents. So you can please use this trick and keep your files secret and password with. Okay, thank you.